Namaste. Coronavirus has affected millions of families across the globe. With temporary job loss, financial crisis, having to work from home and also balance family life, parents are actually having a very difficult time to make their ends join together very well. Children having no schools and having to be engaged at home throughout the day and having to stay indoors due to lockdown in many parts of the world has indeed made parenting a very, very difficult task. During these difficult times, or even otherwise, I have three tips for parents which will make them maintain good mental health by themselves. The first thing which parents can do is probably have a routine. Have a routine for yourself as well as for your children. This maintaining routine really helps in framing a kind of a schedule in your child's brain as well as being more organized through the day at home. This also can get your things done time to time and also encourages children to participate in household chores when they know what they have to do when every day as a routine. The second thing which parents really have to understand is that they have to take out time for themselves during the week. Whether you're a father or a mother, in a week, try and see if you can take out 1 hour of time for your own self where you're doing something which is not related to your career, professional work. You're not doing something related to managing the house, like ordering groceries, or you're not doing anything which is related to your family, but you're actually working on your own self-improvement. This can be anything from doing Surya Namaskaras, practicing yogasanas, breathing, pranayama, and meditation. This can also be something which is a lost childhood passion which you're trying to retrieve now that you have to work from home all the time. There are many online resources available which can kindle your lost passions. Look for these kind of resources and try and see if you can do something for your own mental health once a week, 1 hour. Try and see if other family members or your spouse can take care of your children when you are trying to work on your own self-improvement. This also will boost your self-esteem and self-confidence and in turn will help you through your parenting and make your children also grow up in a better way. The third most important thing is because we are all stuck at home and we have lot of work to do, including your professional work as well as doing household chores and having to do family time, a lot of parents are frequently getting into arguments because they are having each other around for a really long time with no time for private space. During these times, what you really have to understand is that it is very essential for couple to argue. It is really essential for parents to sort out their differences, but please do not do it in front of your children. Whenever you have differences, wait for the children to go to sleep, have a discussion over it after they go to sleep, and sort these issues out so that the next time there is a similar situation, both the father and the mother or all the family members who are involved in this kind of a situation are all on the same page. These were my 3 tips for you to keep your mental health going well during these difficult times. But in fact, these are some of the easy tips which I always give to the parents who come to my clinic with their children. And in fact, even I follow these tips as a part of my life in order to keep my mental health good as well. I hope this helps and I hope you will be able to introduce this and imbibe this into your weekly routine. Thank you for listening. Dhanyavad.